All right, so we're going to continue getting practice with the periodic table. So remember, the periodic table we are going to be using throughout this whole unit. And then when you get to high school, the teachers there are going to have the expectation that you know how to use a periodic table. So we're just going to do a fun little assignment where we're going to solve or answer these questions, and we're going to spell out a sentence using those answers. So I'm going to do a couple with you, okay? So let's look at the first one. It says, I have 2 protons in my nucleus. So the clue here is that there are 2 protons, okay? So you need a periodic table. You can click right here to get your periodic table. If that doesn't work, I copied one down below, okay? So it said 2 protons. So remember, to figure out what atom we're looking at, we're going to look at the atomic number, 2. So this is atomic number 2. You see inside the square? And so this is helium. Now, we only want the symbol. So we're going to write He. So in this block right here, for question number 1, we're going to type in He. Okay? Let's do number 2 says I have 37 protons in my nucleus. Number 3, my location on the periodic table is directly below hydrogen and to the left of beryllium. So clues are directly below hydrogen to the left of beryllium. Okay, so that's for number 3. So directly below hydrogen, so here's hydrogen, directly below it, and to the left of beryllium. So beryllium's right here to the left. So it's lithium, Li. So for question number 3, I'm going to type in Li. Okay. Question 4 says I'm very reactive and have 19 protons. 5 says I am named after a famous scientist and have 99 protons. 6 says I have 1 less proton than xenon, which is a stable element. 7 says I am located in the lanthanide series and have 58 protons. 8 says I am a reactive element and located between boron and nitrogen. Let's do number 9 together. Number 9, I have 75 protons in my nucleus. So my clue is 75. I'm going to go to my periodic table and look for atomic number 75, which is rhenium right here. So I'm going to put Re for question number 9. So question number 9, Re. Okay. 10, I am found on the very last row and have 1 more proton than plutonium, Pu. 11, let's do 11 together. I have 1 less proton than the element in clue 9. So 1 less. So that means we're going to subtract 1. So 9 said they had 75 protons. So for 11, we're going to have 74 protons. So let's look for 74 protons. Okay, so 75, 74 right here, which is tungsten. So we're going to do W. W for question 11. Okay. 12 says I have 53 protons and 53 electrons. Let's do 13. I am found in the actinide series and I'm directly below cerium, Ce. So remember, actinide series means, we talked about it, the row on the bottom, directly below cerium. So here's cerium. Below it is thorium. Thorium. So Th. Okay, so that was question 13. Capital T, H. All right. 14, I have an atomic number of 6 and a mass number of 12. 15, I am the smallest atom and have fewer protons than any other element. 16, we'll do that together. I am in the air you breathe and have 1 more proton than nitrogen. So we're going to find nitrogen. Here it is. Add 1 more. Oxygen. O. So that was 16. O. Okay. Make sure you watch part 2 of this video.